not looking gengelize. What happened to this hair? This one a bone straight, but it's not looking gengelize. This is a 10 inches bone straight. What do you do? Make sure you comb the hair, okay? You comb it well, comb it around, okay? So my hair is from Angie's Hair, in case you are wondering. Some people might now say, hey, this hair now you don't find now it's straight, now it's not straight rich. Mete your hair, your own too much. And if you find pass this one a bad thing, must still always look like this, okay? Make sure you have your wax stick, apply on the center. Apply the wax stick for center. Before you carry wetin dey hot for your head, make sure you have your heat protectors. This heat protectors is going to be available for sales next month. So how do you use your heat protectors? You spray around the hair. So this one go prevent that heat, because that heat is not good for hair. That's why some people hair dey quick dey kpafuka, because you don't use heat protectors. You just carry straighten and carry this one put for your head. You know they use heat protectors. You go kpafuka your hair. This is my hot comb. What do you do? We begin to flatten the center. So flatten. See, you make sure say the hot comb pick the hair from down. Then this back here go flatten am. Do you get that? Let me show you again. See, like this, you pick, then you use a flattener. Not dey fast, they do one. Just take it slowly so that the heat go really flatten the hair. Because now that heat and the first way you use, now go flatten your hair. You understand me? In case you want to avoid some witchy hair where the rise they go up, you spray your spirit hold, your holding spray to freeze the hair. Make sure your two hands they work. Say no to bad hair maintenance. As far as cha-cha is concerned on the internet, all women must know how to slay their hair, how to maintain their hair. Just click the follow button and come and order all your products to maintain your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone by using my video. Can you see how flat this hair is looking? You dey see on top of Cinderella head. This is how you should flatten your wig when you dey style am, especially center parts. Come and buy all the products. Everything will be available first week of October. No excuse of not maintaining my hair. Cha don dey sell everything. First week of October, all the hair products will be available for sale. You see how flat this hair is looking. Cinderella say hello. You say you know they ever they talk now. That will be a problem. It's okay. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.